Hey lovely people, it's the hippie Chrissy. I got these blue vibes going on right now. I decided to go with some blue lips and just like this beautiful blue on my eyes. I got it from the Zulu palette. So stay tuned, keep watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free 99. And go ahead, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, share it. Hit the notification bell just so that you're notified every time I post videos every Thursday. And stay tuned, keep watching. XOXO. Mwah.
Magic.
So here I am using the Zulu palette, and I'm using this brown color here. And first I'm applying tape to the corners of my eyes just so that I have that crispy line when I apply my eyeshadow. And that's what you see me doing here. Now I am putting my transition color on my crease. And I am going ahead to add this brown color to my inner corner. That's just basically to put some definition. So I wasn't really adding too much to my crease. Now here I'm using the Shape Tape by Tarte. And this is life. Seriously. Like, this concealer is life. So I am applying it as my cut crease. And that's what you see me doing here. I'm taking my time now. I'm learning how to do this cut crease. So you see me here, I am using this blue color from the Zulu palette. And I am patting it all over my lid. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just building up the color. As I'm building up the color, I am doing the other side with the cut crease. And I also took that same brown color and put it in my inner corner just to create that V so that definition didn't disappear. Because, you know, as I'm putting the concealer, the definition of the brown color is disappearing. So I'm just adding it back to my lid. So, yeah, get into it. Here I am applying my primer to my face, and this is the NYX Angel Veil Skin Finishing Primer. And I just apply that all to my face so that the foundation and the concealer have something to stick to. Now here you see me putting a little concealer up under my eyes because I wanted some full coverage, and that's just the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Now I'm taking my Fit Me by Maybelline, and this is in 355 Coconut. And I am applying it all over my face. Now, let me tell you, this foundation, life. Like, if you want a foundation that is affordable, the Maybelline Fit Me is a go-to, okay? Now, I'm applying up under my eyes my concealer again, and I am just blending that in. Now, I really don't put that much concealer up under my eyes. It just depends how I'm feeling. So, that's what you see me doing here. And then I go ahead and I take my black Opal finishing powder, and that's in neutral light. And I apply that all up under my eyes just as a little bake. And I just brush it away with my little dense brush. Now I'm taking my powder contour, and I'm using a flat brush by BH Cosmetics. And I am just contouring my face. Now I use powder contour. I don't really like harsh contour, but that's just my personal preference. So that's what you see me doing here. So yeah, I'm just finishing the rest of my face, and I'm contouring my nose, and then on to the lips. So for my lips, I'm using this color by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the shade Requiem. And I'm putting it all over my lid. Now, when I first purchased this color, I fell in love. Like, this just reminds me of a really metallic, alien vibe, fairy vibe. Like, I'm just feeling this vibe. And you see me here applying my last minute touches to this face that I slayed real quick. And get into the slow-mo. Y'all see me? Remember to hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post. Follow me on all my social medias. That's going to be in the description below. Remember, stay positive and keep positive vibrations. Until the next video, XOXO. Mwah.